Hello everyone, I'm Quina. Today I'm at a stunning summer palace. Over the next 6 episodes, I will be your guide as we explore this magnificent, beautiful garden. Now let's dive into its fascinating history and beauty. Behind me, you can see a plaque inscribed the words He Yuan, written by Emperor Qianlong in 1888.
But did you know that before 1888, this garden had a different name? It was originally called He Yuan, or the Garden of Clear Ripples. So, who built this incredible place? In 1750, Emperor Qianlong, Qianlong Huangdi, commissioned a garden to celebrate his mother's 60th birthday and to showcase his filial piety. He designed it around the natural landscape, using Ongshan, a hill, and Ongshanpo, a pond, as its foundation. After 15 years of construction, the Garden of Clear Ripples was completed. Spanning 290 hectares, it became the epitome of Chinese garden design, featuring real mountains and lakes. During this time, Ongshan was renamed Wanshoushan, or Longevity Hill, and Ongshanpo became Kunming Lake, Kunminghu.
However, this beautiful garden has faced destruction not once, but twice.
In 1860, during the Second Opium War, Anglo-French allied forces looted and burned it to the ground. It was later reconstructed in 1888, only to be looted again in 1900 during the Boxer Rebellion. The final reconstruction took place in 1904, just in time for Empress Dowager Cixi's 70th birthday celebration.
Now that you know a bit about its history, are you ready? Let's go!
The Summer Palace is divided into three main areas: the court area, the mountain area, and the lake area.
Right now, we are in the court area, the most important part of this palace.
This is where the emperor handles state affairs while staying in the garden. The main hall here is called the Hall of Benevolence and Longevity, 仁寿殿. During Emperor Qianlong's reign, it was known as a Hall of Diligent Government, 勤政殿. The name Hall of Benevolence and Longevity comes from the Analects of Confucius, 论语, which states, the benevolent enjoy longevity, 智者乐, 仁者寿. The first thing you will notice is this large stone. From this angle, doesn't it look like an old man holding a peach? That's why it's called the 寿星石, or the god of longevity stone. As we continue, you will see a single bronze statue of a qilin, a mythical and highly auspicious creature in Chinese culture. You might wonder why there's only one. Originally, there was a pair, but they were looted during the Anglo-French invasion. One was lost, and the other was moved here. The qilin is a fascinating creature. It's not real, but rather a product of ancient Chinese imagination. It has a head of a dragon, the tail of a lion, the antlers of a deer, and the hooves of an ox. Legend has it that the qilin can distinguish between good and evil, and ward off evil spirits.
Now, let's take a closer look at this hall.
In front of it, you will see a pair of bronze dragons, a pair of bronze phoenixes, and a pair of bronze incense burners. Unfortunately, we cannot get too close to see inside, but let me describe it for you. Inside the hall, there is a magnificent 9-dragon throne at the center. Behind the throne, you will find a pair of peacock feather fans and a screen adorned with 226 different versions of the Chinese character for longevity. Above the throne hangs a golden plaque with the words 寿协人福, which complements the house name and theme. On the walls, there are two large scroll paintings featuring the character for longevity, surrounded by 100 beds, a symbol of good fortune. You will also notice some Western-style chandeliers. Believe it or not, in 1889, the Summer Palace was one of the first places in China to have modern electric lighting, alongside the Forbidden City.
Now, we have explored the court area. Are you curious about where the emperor lived during his time here? Let's head over and find out more.